Hey guys, Tim Coates here with Adonis Detail again. Wanted to highlight this gorgeous paint to sample Grigio Telesto, which is a Lamborghini color, Porsche GT3. Now paint to sample basically means that you have an allocation. You could basically pick whatever color you want for the vehicle that they don't already offer when it's approved by Porsche. So this color was approved. The owner wanted this color, which is absolutely spectacular, and it's one of a kind. So there's not something you can just go and order at your dealership. This is a very custom order, very rare color to the car. But I wanted to show you kind of our fit and finish of the ClearGuard. We did a full front, doors, and rocker panels. Gives you really good coverage for track use, daily driving, that kind of thing. Edges all wrapped where possible. Mirrors done in one piece, wrapped around. Even this top edge right here, wrapped around, so you can't see where it starts and stops. Corners wrapped, capped off, and we did our Spectra 55% tint on this. You wanted a light shade, but still wanted some good heat rejection. Full bumper wrapped. This color is just stunning. Call or email us if you have any questions. Thank you for watching.